Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm just gonna get straight into it. I'm gonna be doing a super natural makeup look. So I'm gonna be using my MAC strobe cream. This is just the body lotion. You can use whatever moisturizer you like. This look's gonna work best with something that's illuminating. So if you haven't got anything at home, another product that I really like is from Flower Beauty, so you can buy it at Priceline. It's just the illuminating primer. Mine's actually empty. I think it was like a purple bottle, but it was just an illuminating primer that they had. You can get it about $6 when it's on special, so that was a really good primer to use. This isn't a primer, this is literally just a moisturizer. So I'm just using that all over my face. Just gives it a nice little glow. I'm gonna just let that dry a minute because I'm not gonna be using liquid foundation today. I'm gonna be using a powder. So while I'm letting that dry, I'm gonna be going in with my Benefit Blurring Airbrush Concealer. I absolutely love these concealers. I have the shade number 2, and I just use this on my finger, and I'm just gonna pop this only where I really need it. So I'm just gonna prime my eye with it as well, just because I have quite a lot of veins through my eye. And then I just want it under my eye, just to cover up that darkness. This is such a great like mousse consistency. This is my second one of these. I've used a full size one and now this is a sample size, and I will definitely be repurchasing. Okay, and I have a lot of acne here at the moment. I get a lot of hormonal acne. So I'm 30 years old and I still get quite a lot of breakouts. So I'm just covering that up. I'm just tapping on top. It's not going to cover them fully, but we just want to, you know, just dull that redness down just a little bit. This one here just came up this morning. But I get the ones, the like lumps, especially the ones that come on my jawline. They hurt so much. And if any of you other women out there experience hormonal acne, I know how you feel. So yeah, so I just tap that into the redness, just a tiny bit on my chin because it's poking out a lot. And then I'm going to go in with a powder. So this is what I would like to do if I just want a really, really natural look. I'm feeling like a little bit self-conscious. I might have a little bit dark circles, but I don't really want to wear like a full face of makeup. You can use any powder you want. I did this the other day using one of my other powders that's over there, which I think is an ingot powder. But today I'm just going to be using my MAC Fix Plus Studio Fix powder. So I'm just going to be going in with that on like a fluffy brush, and I'm going to start on the outside. Oh, now I remember why I don't use this powder. It's a little bit too dark for me. That's why I don't use this powder. This is the shade C4 and I'm probably like C3. It's just a little bit too warm for me, so it could even be more of a neutral shade in this powder. So I do just try and stipple that over the acne spots. I don't want to drag it over where I've put the concealer. But you can use any powder you like, any tinted, so like not a translucent, but like any other like colored powder that you would have. So I've used in the past one from, I think it was like Rimmel or Maybelline Fit Me ones. They've got like some pressed powders. I think it was definitely a Rimmel one. And they've worked fine in the past as well. A little bit on the nose. And then I just pop a little bit down my neck. especially because this is a little bit too warm for me. Hopefully this will be my summer shade. We're in spring now, so hopefully. And then I just get a little bit of this highlighter. This is, I think it's called Dandelion by Benefit. It's just such a like soft sheer highlighter. I love it. So just like really pop that on. This just gives me a nice little like natural glow. And then I just have this is actually a brow pencil from England. Oh no, actually it is an eyeliner. I thought it was a brow pencil. So I'm just gonna use a tiny bit of this. And I'm just gonna smudge that in with my finger. I'm just going to use a tiny bit more of that powder on a smaller brush on my eyelids because I can see that the concealer is creasing. Just to set that down, that's all. And I'll just finish this eye off. And then for brows, I just use my Gimme Brow by Benefit. I love this. This is what I use when I just want like a natural look, or I've got 5 minutes to do my makeup, or I'm doing my makeup just to go, you know, out of the house for a quick half an hour lunch or something, you know. Or I'm feeling lazy. And then I have my Benefit Roller Lash Mascara, and this one's like, oh, I can't even open it because of the moisturizer on my hand. This one is almost empty. It's only gonna give me like the lightest layer. I have this eyelash. Get off, eyelash. There we go. And then for lips, I have this, clearly it's my favorite, it's so tiny. This is a Rimmel lip liner. And I just use this all over. And just use my favorite lip balm. This is an Elizabeth Arden, I think it's called like a moisture stick. 8 Hour Cream Lip Protection Stick. Can't talk today. 8 Hour Cream Lip Protection Stick is what it's called. And I just pop that all over. And then I'm just noticing I have a tiny bit of redness just underneath my nose. I don't know why I'm bothering to cover this up, because if I go anywhere today I'll be wearing a mask. But you know, I know. And then that's it. That is my quick, easy, super natural makeup. If you want, you can always just add like a tiny bit of bronze or blush. But this is just a quick makeup. I'm probably not even going to edit this video, so if you guys enjoyed seeing this quick 5-minute natural makeup, please leave me a comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week.